Alright, what's up YouTube? What's up Hammerheads? Burnhammer HP! Craig coming at you. And we coming at you from the VHHP garage. It's tight, it's cluttered in here. You know, I had to have a spot for all my camping gear after we went from a camping truck to a Mustang. But it is what it is. Hey man, we got just yesterday we got the Dark Horse back from the detail shop. We did the ceramic coat tint. Look at them windows, man. 5% on the back, 20 on the front there. You know, we keeping it legal. Anyway, man, it's looking pretty good. I was pretty happy. We went with Distinguished Details for you guys that are local to the Lubbock area. That's over between University, Indiana on 130th, where all the great construction, where the new loop is and everything. So anyway, I'll put a link to them in the comments down there if y'all are interested. They did a good job. We had it out a little bit yesterday, so you can see kind of some bugs there and stuff like that. But let's see if we can kind of squeeze in here. But we did this PPF here just on the front portion. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty light, but it comes down the fender right there. Comes across. They custom went around this sticker and then around the vent hood here. So that was pretty cool. They did use the matte PPF on the matte pieces. Then you come around, that package comes with the mirrors getting coated too, and then we added on extra the pillars and then the roof line, which comes back to about right here or so to protect that. I know on the other Mustang we've seen issues kind of where this lip meets the windshield. I think we had a rock chip or something on there, or a bug chip. Probably a bug chip from those yeehaw grasshoppers we got here in Texas. But then the ceramic coating on the paint. So of course they did a paint correction first, then put that ceramic coating on the paint. So looks really good. We didn't do anything with the wheels. As far as ceramic coat, that may be something I'd attempt to do by myself. We just, you know, budget issue. This stuff is already not so cheap. So anyway, she's looking good. Again, Distinguished Details off of like 130th and University or so. Like I said, I'll put a link to them in there. But anyway, while we're on the topic of protection, we're going to do just real quick. We're going to do a couple things to protect another area of the car. If you notice, we got those huge screens. It's all one screen in there. Let's take a look at it real quick. Let's see. I don't have, let me get the key with me here. And let's see if all this kind of starts up. We kind of looked at it the other day, but the sun was shining, so you couldn't really see in there. Yeah, here we go. But anyway, this is what we're going to protect today. We got to get that cleaned up. It's probably got some fingerprints on it. But it comes all in one piece. Just bought a piece from Amazon. I think it was about 35 bucks. I can link that in the comments too, so you can check that out. It actually comes with two pieces. So if something happens to the first one, or more likely that I screw this up the first time, I have something to go do the second one with. So comes with all the little tools, comes with like a little squeegee thing, comes with all the little wipe downs. But it's all going to be one piece that goes across there. And basically, if you've ever done a screen on a phone or anything like that, it's the same concept, except for this is much bigger. All right, just a quick look here. Here's those pieces that I was talking about. They come in this big old box. Come with everything you need to install. Some quick instructions, just like I said. It's same process as a phone screen protector. You clean it up with those. You peel off one side, you stick it on, You know, you smooth all the air bubbles out, and then you peel off the front side, and hopefully you get it on there right the first time. All right, hopefully you guys can see here. I don't know how good the lighting is in here, but here we go. The first thing is your little alcohol wipe that they provide you. It's going to clean this up, get all the fingerprints and stuff off. Let's wipe this sucker down. Shouldn't be too bad here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Set that to the side. You got your microfiber cloth here. Little nervous here because I have messed up a phone screen protector before. Alright, it comes with a little sticker too if you feel like you got any dust or whatever on there. Oh, I can see a couple spots. Maybe. Right in here. Alright, so if you get this particular kit here, of course you want to throw it up there, kind of a test fit. Okay, maybe, I don't know. Comes with a yellow or green tab, tells you to pull the yellow tab, pull the backing off first. Of course we don't want to, try not to touch this with our fingers. It's a big piece, maybe a two-man job. I guess we'll find out. Looks like I got it there. Kind of the scary part here. You're applying pressure to get it on there. And squeeze all these bubbles out. Just push them to the outside. Don't want to jinx myself, but so far not too bad. And this thing's going to help protect, obviously with this big screen, you want to do what you can to protect it, but it also helps with glare. If you have any glare, we haven't really had the car that long, so haven't noticed any glare issues. Alright, looks like it's on there pretty good. Just going to go across this whole thing, just make sure it's well stuck before I pull this top plastic off. Might help if I drop this steering wheel a little bit, I don't know. Now Mrs. Van Hammer is going to be mad because I moved the steering wheel. Let's hope I put it back in the right place. Sweet. That looks good. Now let's hope it all sticks as we pull this green tab. You know, pull it to the side like this so you're not pulling straight out, pulling it off. Now we put this stuff, the F-150s, you know, those have those big screens in it, not like this, but I put one of those on there and it did not affect the touchscreen ability at all, and had no problem with the heat of summer or anything like that, with it peeling up or coming off. Or now, I don't know that this is the same brand or anything, but I just know from that experience it did its job in protecting. Especially when you get in here and you're cleaning the interior of your car. You know, a lot of those interior cleaners, they're not good for the screens. And so this protector protects it from the screen from those cleaners as well. Let's see. Oh. There we go. Oh, it gives you the heartbeat. Alright, man, that was actually went fairly well and was pretty easy. Let's hope it just sticks on there pretty good. Alright guys, short little video there. Just putting that screen protector on. Seemed pretty easy. Just take your time with it, squeeze the bubbles out, make sure you clean it real well. You know, you'll do alright. But if you see on the Facebook page, I told you I was gonna do the name reveal today. So Mrs. Van Hammer, she always likes to name the vehicles. We typically, I guess, probably almost always go with a girl name, right? You always gotta go with a girl name. Anyway, but the name for the 2024 Dark Horse is...
I'm in love with Sheena. I'm Sheena.
Sheena!
So cool, Sheena.
Drop the hammer. Peace.